Hey everyone, David Horowitz from Retrium here. Today I want to talk about psychological safety. Let's start at the top. What is psychological safety? Teams that feel comfortable talking about the challenging, thorny topics are the ones that are able to tackle the most difficult decisions effectively. So what can we do to boost our own psychological safety? The first thing that I'd tell you is to take ownership over it yourself. You can't expect others to boost their psychological safety if you're not willing to take a step in that direction yourself. So to do that, one trick of the trade that I've learned is to increase your own personal vulnerability. If you feel comfortable sharing what makes you uncomfortable with others, it's a natural human response for other people to reciprocate in turn and share what makes them feel uncomfortable. One way of doing this is just take some teammates out to coffee and say, hey, I made this mistake the other day and I really feel embarrassed about it. Do you have any tips for me on how I could fix that next time? And watch them. They'll not only give you tips, more often than not, they'll likely respond with a mistake that they made. And all of a sudden, you've now boosted the trust that you have with that individual on your team. And if you keep doing this with everybody on your team, the safety of the entire team will benefit. You can also introduce something that I love. It's called an oops wall. This is a place where whenever someone makes a mistake on the team, they just share it publicly on the oops wall. On a little sticky, they'd put down the mistake that they made and transparently and publicly advertise the fact that, hey, I made this mistake. If everyone does this, it starts to give a sense of safety around we can make mistakes. Failure is okay. In fact, anyone who's working on a difficult topic is going to make mistakes, or you're probably not challenging yourself enough. So oops walls can be another great way of boosting psychological safety. The last thing that I'll share with you about psychological safety is try to enable people to have difficult conversations in low stakes environments. For example, if you take a break from work and play with your colleagues a board game, then board games have very low stakes. Whether you win or lose doesn't really matter, but it can enable you to have those difficult conversations in the board game that can give you practice to have them when it really does matter at work. Hey, if these tips helped boost your psychological safety at work, please share, please comment below in the thread. We'd love to hear from you and help the world get better at running effective retros.